Hey guys, it's yours truly, the one and only TC the Barber. And in this haircut tutorial, we're going to be doing a comb over with a fade. We ain't going to waste no time, right into it. So the first step, I'm going to be setting my ball line in with my silver FX, and I'm going to set this in around the whole head. Alright, with my next step with the Walls Magic Clips with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and set in my first guideline, and I'm going to be going up about a half an inch. Alright, now that I got that first guideline set in, I'm going to close the lever all the way and go ahead and start attacking the ball line that I created. Okay, now I'm going to open the lever up halfway, and I'm just going to continue to work the line out. Okay, so I threw the number 2 guard back on there to finish knocking down some of the bulk, because I figured it'll be easier if I go ahead and knock down the rest of the bulk, and then I can come back and finish attacking that ball line. Coming back with the lever all the way closed, coming back to the ball line, flipping the edge of the line, and as I go up on the fade, I'm going to open my lever up halfway to finish knocking the line out. Jumping over to its right, I'm just going to repeat the same step, starting out with the lever closed. As I go up on the fade, open the lever up to halfway, which will meet with that open one that I started with that created my first guideline. Coming in with the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going to come right up under that 2 and continue to fade this area, basically softening this line up, and then I'm going to come back with that half guard to go ahead and knock it out. Okay, now coming in with that half guard, I'm going to close that lever all the way and go ahead and start attacking this line. Now I'm going to open the lever halfway and continue to knock this line out. jumping around the back, we just gonna repeat the same steps. Nothing changes. Now I'm coming around to his right, just repeating the same step, keeping it consistent, starting out with the lever all the way closed, flicking up at that line, and as I go up on the fade, I'm opening the lever halfway to finish knocking that line out. So coming around the back with the one guard with the lever all the way open, I'm just going back to do some detailing. Alright, this next step here, I'm going to be coming in with clippers over comb, and I'm going to lay the comb flat on the head, scoop up into the hair, and I'm only going to be cutting the hair that I see through the comb. Alright, now that we got the sides done, now I'm gonna wet the hair, and I'm gonna be taking about, I would say, an inch off, yes. Now, as you can see, I'm pulling the hair straight up, out, and toward me, and I'm starting from my right, from his right to his left. Now that I completed that task, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry his hair, and I'm gonna style it as I blow dry it. Get ready to apply some product. I'm gonna apply some product, and I'm just styling it, making sure all the product is in the hair. And then I'm gonna come back with the comb and restyle it again, straight like that. Off top of the head, I forget the styling product I'll use, but I will leave the name of the product in my description. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and edge them up, and I like to start in the middle to use the middle as a starting point. Notice that I'm tapping the line. You know, the clippers do the work, so you don't have to put no pressure. You know what I'm saying? Just light taps. You know what I mean? And come up off that thing. You don't stay in that area too long. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna start fading the sideburns into the beards. I always start with the level open, touch on the line, and then close it up to half, and then close it all the way to knock that line out. And notice that I'm staying right in the temple area. So I'm going to start edging up the beard right now. I'm going to keep the line natural as possible. Keep it right where the new growth is. Alright, now this next step, I'm gonna be shaping the beard and just knocking down some of the wild hairs, some of the loose hairs off the beard, make it look nice and neat. You heard me? So to make the beard line pop, I'm gonna be adding some enhancement, which is some Topics fiber. I'm also gonna apply a little bit in the corners. Now I can't let this close out without touching up the lines. Just that extra detail. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think of the cut in the comments below. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Also, you can follow me on IG at TC the Barber and Facebook at Tony T Clark. Thank you for supporting. Peace.